Isaac, do you want the juice? You want juice? It's healthy juice, by the way. Organic, fresh squeezed. Say, how come you're not doing the no? Say, no, 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 no. Say, no, 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 no. You don't want to do it? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Are you gonna do it? You do it when I try to feed you. Here. Well, now he's letting me feed him on camera. I don't know why. Is that yummy? 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 No, 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 no. There you go. Yay! Say no, 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 no. You do it again? No, 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 no. Good job! Good job! Yay! Show Grandma your teeth. Your tooth. Your one little tooth. Do you see it? Say, Grandma, look at my tooth. No, not showing your tooth. Look at my tooth. Look at my tooth. Let's see your tooth. Smile. Let's see your tooth. Show your tooth. No. He says no. Uh-oh. Can I feed you your juice? Yay! Big boy.